Hey guys, my name is Damilola. Welcome to Damilola's kitchen. Today we'll be making pumpkin soup. Let's get cooking. First, this is our pumpkin. I'm going to cut it. I've cut it. I'm going to scoop out the seed inside. I'm going to put the seed inside this bowl. Should. This is how it looks. Please like, comment, share, turn on the notification bell, follow me on Facebook as Mary Olade on Facebook. I'm going to wash my pumpkin. I'm going to wash my pumpkin. Now I'm going to go to my stove. I'm going to put vegetable oil inside the pot. I will add my onion and my garlic. I will allow it to saute for 2 minutes. I'll be sauteing this. This is how it looks. I'm going to add my pumpkin. I'm going to add my pepper. If you don't like spice, don't add pepper. I'm going to add my turkey broth. I'm going to add my salt. I'll allow it to cook. Cook it until it's soft. Now we will check. You see, it's falling apart. Now we are going to blend it. Be careful, it's very, very hot. I'm going to blend it. Now I don't like how it's too runny, so I'm going to cook it in medium low so that it's going to be thick a little bit before serving it. If you have bread, you can eat it with bread. You can eat it with bread. You see, it's too runny for me, so I'm going to allow it to cook for a minute. Now it's done, it's thick, it's delicious, it smells so good. If you have pumpkin spice, you can add it. But if you don't have pumpkin spice, don't add it. I've make pumpkin soup. This is my pumpkin soup. I would like to explain one thing. If you like your pumpkin soup to be soupy, like it should not be thick like my own, you can do it that it will not be thick. But I like my own thicker than thick like this. So I'm going to taste it for you. It's delicious, it's good. This pumpkin soup is good in a cold and rainy or winter season. It's very good for it. It will let your body cool down very good. So please make this recipe. When you have made my pumpkin soup recipe, please show me the picture of your pumpkin soup on Facebook at Mary Olaleye on Facebook. Please like, comment, share, turn on the notification bell, and please tell everybody you know about Damilola Olaleye's kitchen. Please like and share. Thank you. God bless you.